Week 7 homework help, Math and Society, page 312, numbers 27 and 28. Now 27 was not assigned, but I think it'll make it easier to understand 28 if we take a look at 27 first. So I've got these the problem statements right here. So a math class consists of 25 students, 14 female, 11 male. 2 students are selected at random to participate in a probability experiment. Okay, so let's sit it down where hopefully you can read the whole thing at once or pretty close. All right, a male is selected, then a female. So we're only selecting 2 of 25 for number 27. B is a female and then a male. C is 2 males. D is 2 females. And E is no males are selected. So let's just take a look at A here. Basically what we said is there's going to be 1 male. Okay, so the total number of males, which is 11. So there's 11 males. And what's the total number of students? 25. Okay, and then the second one we do, which it's multiplied because there's 2 selections being made of the same sample. So we've got total number of females over the total number of students minus 1, because we selected 1 student over here, and now this equation becomes dependent on that first equation. So basically we have 11 over 25, which represents 1 male, and then 14 over 24, which represents 1 female. That brings us to 154 over 600, or 77 over 300. Okay? Then for number of it's a female and then a male, it's basically the opposite count, right? So we have 14 females, 25 total, 11 males, 24 now in the denominator for this one. And actually the equation comes out the same, so it's 154 over 600, or 77 over 300. Now we pick 2 males in C. The probability is the number of males over the total number of students, 11 over 25, and then 11 minus 1, because we picked 1 male here, so now the probability becomes 10 over 24. So if you look over here, it's 11 over 25, 10 over 24 equals 110 over 600, or 55 over 300. Next one, D, 2 females. Okay, similar in terms of structure of the equation. You've got a total of 14 females and 11 males, and then you have a total number of females minus 1, so we've got 13 now, over 25, and the 13 is over 24. Okay, that gives us 182 over 600, or 91 over 300. And it turns out that E, which let's read that again, no males are selected. Well, if you're only selecting 2 students from a population of 25 students, and you're going to select no males, then that really is exactly the same as selecting 2 females. So E, the same answer applies both D and E, so it's 91 over 300, or 182 over 600. Okay, so that's 27. Now we make it a little more complex. We have a math class consisting of 25 students, 14 female, 11 male, and 3 students are selected at random to participate in a probability experiment. Compute the probability that a male and then 2 females are selected, a female is selected and then 2 males, 2 females are selected and then 1 male, or 3 males are selected, or 3 females. So it's a similar process we go through, right? So we have the total number of males. The first one is a male is selected and then 2 females. So total number of males, that's 11, over the number of students, 25. That's multiplied by the number of females, 14, over 24, because we've already selected 1 student. So the student population's gone from 25 to 24. Then the third one is total number of females minus 1, because we just selected 1 here in the second equation. So we have 11 over 25 times 14 over 24 times 13 over 23, which equals 2002 over 13,800. And that can be reduced down to this number, but it's not really that important because we might as well keep the denominator the same as we go down through. Okay, so B is a female is selected and then 2 males. Same kind of process. Total number of females total number of students. Total number of males, total number of students minus 1, total number of males minus 1, total number of students minus 2. So you end up with 14 over 24, 11 over 20, 14 over 25, 11 over 24, 10 over 23, and that gives you this number. C, what are we looking for in C? 2 females and then 1 male. Total number of females over 25, total number of females minus 1, so we get 2 females. So we got 14 over 25, 13 over 24, and then number of males. So we have 1 male to select, and now the total number of students is decreased by 2. So we got 11 over 23, and that gives us this number, which ironically is the same as this one up here, right? But anyway, now we go down to, 3 males or 3 females. So D is 3 males. So we got total number of males, 11 over 25, 10 over 24, and 9 over 23, right? You guys can follow through at this point. And E, the number of females, 14 over 25, 13 over 23, and 12 over, 14 over 25, 13 over 24, and 12 over 23. And that gives us this solution. Anyway, hope that helps. You've got these 2 files, or these 2 pages in one file attached to the homework as well, so that you can take a look at how it's done. I just thought it'd be useful to do a little voiceover. Sorry it took 6.5 minutes.